country. And I feel like I always hear them say that people don't accept our dancehall culture, but I've never experienced it, and it's my first time experiencing such humiliation, and that's really what I felt. Mr. Salman, who's I think the promoter, he's saying that he felt a little bit uncomfortable when I was performing.
Spice says it is not an issue of appropriateness because she said her song Indicator was played for a group of dancers at the event.
I just definitely feel that they have an issue with dancehall culture, and it's sad enough to say I was hired for the event. They hired Spice. So if it was a case where they wanted Spice to metamorphose into something else, then I could have done so. But I never felt that they wanted me to adjust because they hired the brand Spice. There's so many other artists out there that you could have hired. You know what the brand Spice is about. Why hire me?
Mr. Salman insists that it is not a matter of people having no respect for dancehall. He says going forward, dancehall will be included in the event. He maintains, though,